Okay, so you've downloaded the Apex Pro new app, meaning you went to the Apple App Store, searched Apex Pro, or the Google Play Store and searched Apex Pro and click download. Now you can open the black icon Apex Pro new app. The first step is to set up your user profile. If you're new to the Apex Pro app, it's very simple. It's just like creating a profile on something that you do probably every day. Create a username, which you can come up with any username for, and use your email address, one that you have easy access to, ideally on your mobile device. If you're an existing Apex Pro app user, meaning you've been using the legacy Apex Pro app, it's important that you sign in with the same username. That'll allow you to transfer the data that you have saved on the legacy app into the new app. So the first step is log in or create a new account. In my case, I have an existing login. My username is arains44. I'll input my password and sign in. Now, you actually can access the lap timer and data features without logging in. You can record data and you can review data without an account. You will, however, need an account to access community features. This is the crew view leaderboard and live view into other drivers real time on the track, as well as to purchase the subscription, which allows you to record and render video in the Apex Pro app. Now you can configure your garage. Here I have two different cars that I commonly drive. You can add more and select the year, make, model, and trim in this area here. There's also some basic stats related to the community features, how many people you're following, how many followers you have, and how many different tracks you've recorded data for. You can also edit your profile picture by choosing a picture or doing a little selfie right on the spot. If you tap the settings icon, which is in the top right corner, that's going to allow you to make some more nuanced changes to your profile. This is where you can change your password. You can edit your username and your car number. You can control your subscriptions. So you can purchase the monthly subscription, which is $10, or the annual subscription, which is $100. Both of those give you access to recording and rendering video, meaning rendering data and other interesting widgets that you can get from the Apex Pro Gen 2 device and OBD2 unit onto your video. That gives you that functionality. You can delete your account. You can clear paired devices. That's a very specific use case feature, but if you ever accidentally connect to the wrong Apex Pro, for example, that's what you use clear paired devices for. You can log out. You can also control whether you want a light look in the app. So this is just kind of the standard white look, or you can go to dark. You can also configure the app to look the same way your phone looks. I have my phone set to dark mode, so if I select system, the app's going to be dark. If I change my OS to light mode, the app will reflect that. You can toggle between English and metric units. So turning this off allows you to use metric units. And then you can tell the app what your preference is for GPS. If you toggle on use phone GPS only, the app is only going to use your smartphone as the GPS source. Toggling it off, which is the standard function, it comes with it toggled off. That means that you're going to be using the Apex Pro hardware primarily for data logging. Okay, so that's all you need to know for your account. Follow those steps, go through the configuration, and get everything set up. Feel free to reach out to us at admin@apextrackcoach.com or visit the Apex Pro users group if you need more support.